Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC. So first of all, you just need to go to a browser and in the Google here you need to search for Microsoft Teams download. And in the first result, this will show you the official website of download Microsoft Teams. So just click on this downloadmicrosoftteams.com, and after that just click on this download Microsoft Teams for Windows. And it will start to download on your PC. As you can see, it's already downloaded. So you just need to go to the folder, then double click to open the application. And as you can see, it's going to download some external files for Microsoft Teams. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds here, and it will also be installed automatically on your PC. So if this asks for any permission, you just need to click yes or run on your PC. So as you can see, the Microsoft Teams has downloaded all the external files, and now the application is going to be launched for the first time. So you just have to wait, and as you can see, Microsoft Teams has been installed successfully. Now you just have to sign in with your account. I already have an account. That's why the Microsoft Teams has automatically signed in my application. You just have to click on this let's go button. If this shows you a sign in option, you just need to click on the sign in with your Gmail account or Microsoft account, and then you're good to go. So that's it guys. This is how you can download and install Microsoft Teams on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.